Hey, so I just wanted to do a quick video to show you the different types of document signatures we can do in the SenseHR system. Now, there's two ways we can do signatures. The first way is where we put in an actual signature on a document. So that's common in things like, let's say, an employment contract, for example. The other type is where we're ticking a box to say we've read and understood the document, and that's more common with things like IT policies, for example, that we want to send out to people. Okay, we're going to run through both examples today, and as I do this, I'm logged in as the HR user to start with to generate it. But as a quick side note, we can generate these documents to happen using the workflow engine too. So maybe somebody starts, or somebody changes a job role, or somebody changes salary. It will pick up the correct templates and send them off for signature where needed as well. Or maybe somebody joins and we've already got the right company documents sat there waiting for them to view as well. But for today's demonstration, I'll just show you it creating them manually. Okay. Now, there's two ways we can create documents in the system. The first way is we can upload a document straight from our computer in the usual fashion. We can drag and drop it in. The other way is using templates. In reality, if you're using the system, you'll get them all in as templates. Your contracts, your offer letters, your salary review letters, all that type of stuff, get those in as templates, create them. Once you've created them and used them for somebody, it will go ahead and mail merge in things like their names, their start dates, their job roles, their salaries to save you having to manually put those in, and you can do them from there. But let's just go and upload one from my computer today. I've just got a bunch of fake documents here, so I'm just going to pick this employee contract one, pop it in a folder. Okay, and we can see what it's done first is it's gone away and merged in the details for us, like her name, her job title, her start date, and it has picked up that a signature is required as well. Now, we can have multiple signatures too. So if we maybe need the CEO to sign this first, or the MD, or a line manager, and then it goes to the employee afterwards, or vice versa, we can bring those types of scenarios in as well. But for today, we've just got Amelia signing this document. Okay. Now, once she's signed the document, we can set permissions around it. So we probably wanted to view it once she's signed it as well. Or we can have other options like getting the line manager to be able to see it or not, or other people within the business we can tweak and manage within here as well. Okay, but I'm just going to click save. In the background, what that's done now is pinged Amelia an email. We're in Amelia's file right now. It's pinged her an email, said you've been sent a document. Click here to sign it. She'll click a link. She'll log in. She'll see it right there on the dashboard. We're going to do that in a couple of seconds. Okay, but before we do that, I just want to show you the second type I was speaking about, which is where we tick to say I've understood and read that document. So I'm just going to pick for this one something like an IT policy. But again, do bear in mind if this was real, you'd probably already have this set up as a company document. But I'm just going to show you it today as a quick example. So yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm going to click next. This time I'm going to say it needs to be read. So that's where we tick the box. Go ahead and click save. And that's now sent another email to Amelia letting her know that she needs to do those things. Okay, so let's quickly log out and log in as Amelia. Okay. And when we log in, the key bit really is anything they need to do in the system will appear in this to-do area here. There is you can go straight to a larger area as well, where if you've got lots of things outstanding, you'll see it in a larger screen. But we've got them right here on the dashboard. Apply this concept to anything, really. Anything they need to do. If they need to update a one-to-one, do a performance review, update any personal information, it's all going to appear here. And the best bit is when they click it, it loads it on the screen. It doesn't veer them off somewhere else in the system. So if I need to sign this document as a quick example, I can come in here, make sure I'm happy with it, click sign down here, pop in my signature here, click done. That'll go ahead and sign the document. It's removed it from my to-dos. We can actually see it's put it over here as well. So if we go back and look at that document, the signature is physically on the document as well. So if we ever need to look at this in the future or download the document, it will have that signature on there. So a lot of systems, a lot of HR systems say they're actually signing the document, but really what they're doing is just putting a little saying that it's been signed next to it on the system, and you download the document and there's no physical signature there. With ours, it will be right there on the document. Okay, and then the second type is that IT policy that I mentioned. So we come into here. With this one, we've gone for not a signature. We don't want people signing to say they've read the IT policy, but we do want them to confirm they've read. Click done. And then that will go back in the system and mark that as read. Okay. If you do want to book a live demo and see any of the system, you should see a button in the top right-hand corner which says Book Demo. Click that, it will show you all the available slots. Just book yourself in and you'll get an automatic Teams invite sent over. Thanks very much.